G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It rules in millimetres. It's been wetted. The white you can see like on that piece is the reflection from the lights. Basically it's a practice material parcel. Nice blue piece there. Just a little bit of browns on the top. This piece hasn't got a lot of colour, but it'd be a good piece to practice cutting down to the line of opal. This piece again's a little bit of colour there, but not a lot. Practice material. This sort of piece you can just cut into an oval. You get 2 or 3 slices out of that perhaps. Not much else. A nice little piece. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.